Dear student, welcome to Kana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our last topic is decimal numbers. In exercise 2.5, the question number 5, write the following decimal number in expanded form. What is the expanded form? If we write a number 1, 2, 3, the expanded form says that these number can written as 120 plus 3. This number can written as 100 plus 20 plus 3 is equal to 123. So we can write as 1 into 100, then 2 into 10, then 3 into 1. How is it come? Here we write a number 1, 2, 3. This is our ones place. This is our 10 and this is our 100. Ones, tens and 100, they will be multiplier. So take another number. The another number is 4, 3, 7, 8. 4, 3, 7, 8. Here this is our ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So there are multiplier 4,000, 4 into 1000, then plus 300, 3 into 100, then plus 7 tens, 7 into 10. Now 8 ones, 8 into 1. This is our expanded form. Now these are the integer numbers. We take decimal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's take to 7 only for sevens. Now I write here a decimal point. The integer part, this is our ones, this is our tens, this is our 100, this is our 1000, so these are thousand, hundreds, tens, ones. Now in decimal part, this is our. After the ones, the tens come. So this is our tenth, th. Here is s, here is th. This is our. After 10, 100 will come, 100 s, here th. After 100, 1000 will come, 1000 th. That th will say that there are the particle of 1000, 100 and 10, means divide by. If we th used, we will divide the number. So 10 th divide by 10, 100 th divide by 100, 1000 th divide by 1000. Now in expanded theorem, this number 1 into 1000, 1 into 1000 plus 2 into 100, 2 into 100 plus 3 into 10, 3 into 10, 4 into 1, 4 into 1 plus, forget the decimal number, 5 into 10th, 5 into 1 by 10, th means divide by 10, so then 5 into 1 upon 10, then plus 6 into 100 th, 6 into 1 upon 100, 7 into 1000 th, 7 into 1 upon 1000. This is our expanded theorem. Now take beginning from this. What is the expanded theorem? If we write a number 1, 2, 3, then this is over 123. So 100 plus 20 plus 3, 100 plus 20 plus 3, we can written as 1 into 100, 2 into 10 and 3 into 1. And also this number is over ones, tens and hundreds. So 1 into 100, 2 into 10, 3 into ones. This is our expanded theorem. Now we taking another example. 4, 3, 7, 8. 8 is over ones, 7 is tens, 3 is hundreds, 4 is thousand position. So 4 into 1000, 3 into 100, 7 into 10, 8 into 1. This is our expanded theorem in integer. Now we will take decimal. Here is a decimal number. In decimal number, this is our ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Now in decimal points, the integer number is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Decimal number is after ones, tens comes. So then this is tenth, hundredth, thousandth. This is our number. Now we will write this number. 1 into 1000, 2 into 100, 3 into 10, 4 into 1. Decimal point will be forgotten. 5 into 10 th. Th means divide by 10. So 5 into divide by 10. 5 into divide by 10. 6 into 100 th. 6 into divide by 100. 6 into divide by 100. 7 into 1000 th. So 7 into 1 upon 1000. This is our expanded theorem. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our original question. Now our question is, write the decimal number in expanded theorem. The first question is 20.03. This is our ones, tens, tenth, hundredth. So 2 into 10, then plus 0 into ones. So we cannot written as 0 into 1. The answer is 0. So now you can write 0 into 1 or you can leave this. Then plus 0 into 10th. 10th means divide by 10. 0 into 1 by 10. 3 into 100. 3 into 1 by 100. This is our expanded form. Now this is our ones, in decimal point tenth, hundredth. So 2 into 1 plus 0 into 10th, yani means divide by 10. 3 into 100, 3 into 1 by 100. This is our ones, tens, hundreds, tenth, hundredth. Now 2 into 100. Next is 0 into 10, 0 into 1. You can leave these. 0 into 1 by 10. You can leave this. 3 into 100. 3 into 1 by 100. Now in this I written directly 2 into 1. This is 10th. So leave. This is our 100. 3 into 1 by 100. This is our 1000. 4 into 1 by 1000. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is, write the place value of 2. What is the place value of 2? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, or tenth, hundredth, thousandth in the following decimal number. Now here comes, this is our ones, tenth, hundred. This is our number. Now place value of 2 is, what is the place value of 2? Where the 2 situated? At ones. Now this is our ones and this is our hundreds. Sorry, ones, tens, this is our tenth, hundredth. What is the place value? Where the 2 situated? 2 situated at tens. Place value of 2 is tens. Now this is our ones, this is tens, this is tenth, this is hundredth. Now where 2 situated? 2 situated at tenth. Place value of 2 is tenth. Now in next question, this is our ones, this is tenth, this is hundredth. Now where is 2 situated? 2 is here, 100. Place value of 2 is 100. Now in next question, this is ones, this is tens, this is tenth, this is hundredth, this is thousandth. Now where is 2 situated? 2 is situated at thousand. Place value of 2 is 1000. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is, Dinesh went from place A to B. This is our place A to B, and from there to C. If A is 7.5 km from B, the distance between A and B is 7.5 km. B is 12.7 km from C. The distance between B and C is 12.7 km. Ayub went from place A to place D, place A to place D, from there to place C, from there to place C. D is 9.3 km from A. A and D distance is 9.3 km. C is 11.8 km from D. The distance between C and D is 11.8 km. Who travel more and by how much? First, Dinesh, total traveling distance of Dinesh, total traveling distance of Dinesh is, the Dinesh path is A to B and C. Dinesh A, B and C. So A, B and C, 7.5 plus 12.7 is equal to, now adding 7.5 and 12.7, the decimal points take in common, then addition, 5, 7, 12, then point, 1, 7, 8, 8, 2, 10, 1, 1, 2. The answer is 20.2 km. Now Ayub, total traveling distance of Ayub is equal to, the Ayub went from A, D, C, 9.3, 11.8. Now 9.3, then 11.8, decimal point on same position, the addition, 3, 8, 11, 1, 9, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1, 1, 2. Here is 21.1, 21.1 kilometer. Who is more, 20 or 21? 21. So Ayub traveled more. So Ayub traveled more. Now how much? How much means difference between both. The difference between both. Difference between both is equal to 21.1 minus 20.2. 21.1 20.2. This is our subtraction. Now 2 subtract from 1, so this cannot possible, so this will borrow. 11 minus 2, 9. Then decimal point you borrow from here, so this is 0, 2 0 and 2 0. 20 minus 20 is 0, so this is 0.9 kilometer. So Ayub traveled 0.9 kilometer more than Dinesh. This is our rough part. Now take beginning from this question. Dinesh went from place A to B and C. A to B, then C. A is 7.5 km from B. The distance between A and B is 7.5. A and B is 7.5. B is 12.7 km from C. B and C distance is 12.7. 12.7. Ayub went from A to D, then C. A to D, then C. D is 9.3 km from A. The distance between D and A 9.3. A and D 9.3. C is 11.8 from D. C and D distance 11.8. 11.8 between C and D. Who travel more and by how much? First, Dinesh travel A to B and C. Total distance. Total traveling distance of Dinesh 7.5 plus 12.7. We take it in our rough copy. 7.5 and 12.7. The point decimal point will situated at same position. Now in addition 5, 7, 12, 1, 1, 7, 8, 8 and 2, 10, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. Now answer is 20.2. Total traveling distance of Ayub path is this 9.3 plus 11.8. Now take in rough copy 9.3, 11.8, 3, 8, 11, 1, 1, 9, 10, 11, 1, 1 and 1, 2, 21.1. This is 20, this is 21. Who is more? 21 is more. So Ayub traveled more. By how much? The difference between both. The difference between both. Difference means minus. Take a minus. 1 minus 2 not possible, so we will borrow from here. So this is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. Borrow from here. This is 0. 2, 0. 20 minus 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. So 0.9. 0.9. So Ayub traveled 0.9 km more than Dinesh. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is, Shyama bought 5 kg 300 gram apples, 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. Sarla bought 4 kg 800 gram orange, 4 kg 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? Shyama bought 2 type of fruit. The total weight will be 8. Sarla bought 2 type of fruits. The total weight will be 8. So by in addition we will take a single quantity, gram or kilogram. We will convert it into kilogram. Answer is 5 kg plus 300 gram is equal to 5 plus the gram will be converted into kilogram by dividing 1000. This will be converted into kilogram. 20 and 20 will be cut. One decimal point comes. 5 plus 0.3, 5 plus 0, 5.3 kg. Next is 3 kg plus 250 gram. 3 kg is equal to 3. 250 gram will convert into kilogram. 250 divided by 1000. This will be kilogram. 10 and 10 can cut. 20 means 2 decimal point. So 3 plus 0.25, 3.25 kg. This is of Shyama's fruits. Total fruits bought by Shyama is equal to 5.3, 3.25. Now 5.3 and 3.25, the decimal point will situated at same position for addition. Here 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. Answer is 8.55 kg. Now Sarla bought 4 kg plus 800 gram. Now 4 kg is 4 plus 800 gram will convert into kilogram by dividing 1000. 20 and 20 can cut. So 4 plus 10 means 1 decimal point. So answer is 4.8 kg. Another is 4 kg plus 150 gram. 4 plus 150 divided by 1000. 10 and 10 can cut. By 20, 2 decimal points appear. 4 plus 0.15, 4.15 kg. Total fruits bought by Sarla is 4.8 plus 4.15. 4.8 plus 4.15. Now 4.8, 4.15, the addition. Decimal point will situated at same position. Now this is 0 plus 5, 5, 8 plus 1, 9, 4 plus 4, 8. The answer is 8.95 kg. The question is, who bought more fruits? Taking comparison between Shyama and Sarla, integer number 8 and 8 is equal, 5 and 9. 9 is greater. So Sarla bought more fruits. So Sarla bought more fruits.